Hey guys, we're looking at comparing rates, which is step up number 5 today. That means we're going to look at two rates and we're going to see which one is more. For instance, if you sold 10 bottles of water in 3 minutes, as opposed to somebody that sold 5 bottles of water in 1 minute, you have to figure out which one is more. So they have an example up at the top. It says Daniel painted 9 planks in 6 minutes. Meredith painted 22 planks in 11 minutes. We have to know who's faster. So what we have to do is we have to get this bottom number to 1. So pretty much we have to divide 9 divided by 6 and 22 divided by 11. So if we did 22 divided by 11, that one's a little easier. It's just 11 goes into 22 2 times. So our rate is 2 planks per minute. For this one, we have to go 6 divided by 9. 6 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. 3, now we put our decimal point here, add a 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So when it says which one is more, well, Meredith is more. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to be looking at our ratios and figure out which one is more, which one is faster or has more. Again, we do that by dividing our bottom number into our top number. For number 1, a couple of people built some websites. On somebody's website, John's, I think it was, he had 51 hits in 3 hours. So let's see what that rate was. 3 divided by 51. 3 goes into 5 one time. My marker's dying, so I'll grab a different one. Got it. And then we subtract. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So that rate is about 17 hits per hour. Our second one, we have 4 into 64. 4 goes into 6 one time, subtract. 4 goes into 24, 16, or 6 times, so we have 16. So which one is more? That one is more because it's 17 as opposed to 16. Number 2, we have 352, probably miles, in 16 gallons. Or we have 240 miles in 10 gallons. So let's start with the 16 first. 16 into 352. 16 can't go into 3. Put an X there. 16 goes into 35 2 times. 32. 16 goes into 32 another 2 times. So this one is 22. Next one, we have 240 divided by 10. Now we see a bunch of zeros. We know that anytime we divide things with zeros, we can just cross them off. 24 divided by 1 is 24. Therefore, that one has a higher rate. Again, we're just dividing the 2 numbers. Number 3, we have 6 into 90. 6 goes into 9 one time. 6 goes into 30 5 times, so our rate is 15. And then 9 into 126. 9 can't go into 1. 9 goes into 12 one time. 9 goes into 36 4 times, so this rate is 14. So which one is bigger? It's always asking for which one's bigger, which one's got a higher rate. That's 15 to 1. I'm going to erase that. Oh, we got a couple more to do. Again, if it doesn't go in cleanly, make sure you put a decimal point in, just like we did on that one, and then add a 0. And then it'll allow you to kind of look at that. If it's one of those that goes on forever, you see like 1.532, blah, 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 just think of it as 1.5 compared to 2. And you can kind of know that you're just kind of comparing the whole numbers. Number 4, we have 20 gallons of gas for $66 or 25 gallons of gas for $81.25. So we have 20 gallons for $66. So 20 goes into 66 3 times. Put our decimal points because we added a 0. 20 goes into 60 3 times. $3.30 for a gallon. Next one, we have 25 into $81.25. 25 can't go to 8. 25 goes into 81 3 times. Subtract 6. Pop our decimal point up. Bring this down. 25 goes into 62 2 times. So right after that, you're going to see that 3.3 is bigger than 3.2. So this one's going to be bigger than this one. We'll finish it off anyway. and 25 goes into 25 5 times. So which one has, oh, excuse me, this question says which one is a better buy? Well, this one's a better buy because it's $3.25. You want to spend less money. Ideally, if you had to buy gas, you want the one with the lower cost. Number 6, Evan and Lee danced a charity fundraiser. Evan raised $275 in 5 hours. That's some dancing. So Evan raised $275 in 5 hours. So to figure that rate out, we divide our 5 into 275. This is going to be Evan. 5 goes into 2, nope. 5 goes into 27 5 times. 5 goes into 25. So we raised $55 per hour. Cool. Lee raised $376 in 8 hours. So we have 8 into 376. 8 goes in, can't go into 3. 8 goes into 37 4 times. And you're going to notice right off the bat, 55 is bigger than whatever this 40 is going to be. But that's okay, we'll keep on going. 32, 56, and that'd be 7. So this guy raised $47 per hour. So which one was more? Well, I think his name was Evan. Evan raised $55, so that's going to be the one that raised a little bit more. And how do we know? Well, we know because we divided, we found the rates. And Evan's rate was 55 as opposed to this guy's rate, which is 47. So that's what we got going on today. If you have questions, let me know. It's a little bit of work. You can see my answers. I kind of just circled which one was more. If you want to look at my answers, you certainly can. If you disagree with them, you can also tell me that. But you're doing the next page, the step up practice page. And that's actually going to be the last little bit for ratios. And then we're going to go on to other things. Thanks.